How to set up your memorization account on Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can set up your memorization account on Facebook. So for that, first of all, open your Facebook app, and after that, come to these three horizontal lines at the bottom right. After that, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. And now here you have to click on Settings. After you click on Setting, come here and click on See More in Account Center. After coming to the Account Center, scroll down and search for the button Personal Details. And in Personal Details, click on Account Ownership and Control. Now here you have to click on Memorialization, and here then click on your account. You have to tell whether you want to memorialize your account or delete after that. Select any of the option from this and then click on Next. So that is how you can set your memorialization on Facebook. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.